walking to the INC KL Link KL LANC KL Mall. The most beautiful and a colorful place it is. Wonderful for photography. It's nearby the KLCC, just a walkable of 800 meter from this Ampang Park LRT. Just I show you the cityscape. See the beautiful cityscape. Already shown in this video about this spot. So once again I'll show you the place. One of the hottest and most beautiful cityscape. The exact KLCC spot it is. Kuala Lumpur city center. See, there's a park, the Ampang Park. His name is Ampang Park. Just come out the station, you can have a small cafes. Gloria G is one of the most reputed coffee company. After airport, here only we can see. So this is the park. Evening times was so nice actually. So right side you can go to the KLCC and Avenue K Mall and your pick spot. The left side we go to the KLCC. Nearby all shops are there. I don't know how to choose. See, this is like a container. Actually full made up of container. The budget shop for the seating area. There also you can go to the connect to the train station. So Dunkin' Donuts. See, that looks so colorful at this. Hi. Makes you so cheer up and went. So thanks for. So this is another container shop. The just a mild breakfast shop. This is the spot of Ampang Park. This is a full Ampang Park view out of the station. I hope you enjoy the view. Here's the connecting bridge to the opposite side. So during summer peak, try to avoid to this calm spot because of the humid. After evening, this spot is good. Okay, let me go to the Link KL. By the connecting bridge from the station to crossing the road, the beautifully they build it. Offices are near. Coming out for a lunch break, I think. See, the spot is there. We're going to enter the Link KL, the most colorful shopping center. So like actually this place looks so good actually. The first time I am seeing.